Students, welcome to e-learning standard 5th subject mathematics. Dear students, if I ask you to write the given number in words, how will you write? Write 25,873. And if I ask you to write the given number in numbers, how will you write? Correct, 9054. Students, now let us do one activity. Write a smallest number using 2706. Use each digit only once. What will be your answer? Correct, 2067. Students, in previous standards you have learned how to read and write the international numerals as well as Devanagari numerals. Today we are going to start a second lesson, number work. Students, let us revise what you have studied in the previous standards by solving problem set 2. It is given on page number 3 in your textbook. So this is our first question. Using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, write 10 of 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit numbers. Read the numbers. Students, till previous standard you have studied to write 5 digit numbers, and you have also studied place values of the numbers. So you know very well 5 digit numbers are the numbers till we write value of 10,000. Now let us see what will be our answer. See children, here I have written the numbers in tabular form, and you can see 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers, 4 digit numbers and 5 digit numbers. First is 25, where you can see 2 digits are there. Likewise, I have given you 5 numbers over here. Similarly, 3 digit numbers 2, 6 and 7 are the 3 digits are there in this number. So this is 267. 4 digit numbers 4, 5, 6, 9 are the 4 digits. That means 4569. Likewise, I have given you 5 numbers. And the lastly 5 digit numbers. Here is the number 32,568. Students, using these digits you can even form different type of numbers. Maybe you will write different numbers over here. So total 10 numbers you have to write. I have given you 5 numbers. So remaining numbers you are going to write. Now let us solve question number 2. Fill in the blanks in the table below. This type of table is given in your textbook, where 3 columns are there: Devanagari numerals, international numerals and numbers written in words. So these are the numbers which are in Devanagari, international and words you can see. First example is already solved in the textbook also. So students, here the numbers or the words which you can see in yellow color are the answers. So likewise we are going to write the answers. Now come to the question number 4. How many rupees do they make? This is first example. 20 notes of 1000 rupees, 5 notes of 100 rupees and 14 notes of 10 rupees. Let us see the answer. First one, 20 notes of 1000 rupees. To calculate the amount, we have to multiply this 20 by 1000. So 20 into 1000 is equal to 20,000. Next, 5 notes of 100 rupees. So 5 into 100 becomes 500. And the last one, 14 notes of 10 rupees. So 14 into 10, 1400. To calculate the total amount, we need to do the addition. So let us do addition. 20,500 plus 1,400, it becomes 21,900. That means total 21,900 rupees will they make. Now let us solve 6th question. The names of some places and their populations are given below. Use this information to answer the questions below. Students, here they have given us the names of places and their population in tabular form. What we are going to do, we will use this information and we will answer the given questions. First question. See, which places has the greatest population? What is its population? We have to find out a place where is greatest population is there. So by observation you will identify that 92,173 is the greatest value and therefore the place is Vashi. So this is our answer. Now let us solve the second one. Which place, Morwada or Moregaon, has the greater population? Morwada. Let us find the Morwada. Population is 85,890 and that of Moregaon is 87,102. So which is greater one? Obviously 87,000 is greater. Therefore answer is Moregaon. Third question. Which place has the smallest population? How much it is? Smallest population. Let us find. Yes, 35,000. Here also 35,000 is there, but that of Gaganbawda is 35,777, which is the smallest one. So answer is Gaganbawda, 35,777. In this way we have solved the problem set 2 today.